Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shifali and I make videos related to tech, travel and the lifestyle. So in this video, as you can see in the thumbnail, that we're going to talk about income tax e-filing in Malaysia. So this is the video wherein you will see the step-by-step process for it. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting us. So guys, before you file the tax, you just need to register an account. So for that, you need the PIN number. And there are two ways to create the PIN. Either you can visit LHDN office and ask them to create a PIN for you, or you can just pass this particular URL which is on the screen. And when you will launch this, you have to follow certain steps to create the PIN. And after 7 days, the PIN will be available to you on your email. Now you can see that I have clicked on the application, and afterwards it navigates to the next page wherein there is a link that is the e-filing PIN number application. You have to click that particular link and then you have to click on the form CP55D. Now when you click on that particular form CP55D, there is another application form that is for the e-filing PIN number generation. So you need to fill your required details over there, right? And correspondingly, then after filling this particular form, you will click on the next icon, or you can say the next button. So when user click on next button, it will navigate to you a different page wherein there is an application form, right? And as you can see in the form, there are different details which you need to fill out, right? In the feedback category, you can see there is an option for CP600B attached. So over there, you just have to click no, right? And then you have to choose the files, the attachment over there. So in that you have to attach two things: the passport. Another one is the filled form of CP55D, right? And in the details you can write the passport and CP55D form, and then you can click on submit button. So guys, after you will receive your PIN number on your email after 7 days, you can visit the eHustle site to actually register your account, right? So when you will launch this particular URL that is on your screen, it will navigate to you to the specific login page of that particular eHustle site, right? And if you're logging to the first time, you have to click the first time login link. Now when user will click on this link, it will navigate you to the another page wherein you can enter two particulars, that is the PIN which has been received on your email. Another thing is your passport number, right? You can enter these both fields and you can click on the send button. Now what will happen is it will navigate to the page wherein you can set your password for this particular account, right? And once you will set that particular password, then it will navigate back to you to the login page. You can enter your passport number and your password, and then it will navigate to you to the services page. Now you can see on the services page, there are a lot of different kind of services available, and according to your appropriate service which is required at this particular time, that is the EBE, Year of Assessment 2020. So you guys have to click on this particular link, and under the resident individual you have to click the EBE, and then you can select the appropriate assessment year from the drop down list. So I'm selecting 2020, and once user will click on that, the income tax form will be open up, right? And it is a self-explanatory form. It is very easy. You can just fill your particulars over there. So guys, in addition to this, I just wanted to let you know that there is a EA form which will be provided by the employer okay, wherein your taxable salary is present. So you can refer that particular form while filling your income tax form. The second thing which I want to tell you is that Malaysian government provides you certain kind of reliefs, and where you can see the information related to that, you can visit this particular site wherein all the different types of reliefs are present. You can refer this particular reliefs types as well while filling your income tax form, right? Since government is providing you such kind of reliefs, why not to use it? So from next time, if you purchasing computer, tablets, laptops, something like this, so you will get 5,000 ringgits relief over it, right? And in the end, while filling this form, you can use the receipts as in proof of it. So guys, if you found this video informative and useful to you, please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends as well. And in the end, I just wanted to say, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button as well. That will help me in growing my channel. Thank you so much.